In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Workspace admin account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and type in Google Workspace admin account. Now on here, one of the first websites that pop up should be Manage Workspace with Admin Dashboard. Simply click on that and it's going to be workspace.google.com/product/admin, and this is where you want to get started. Now over here, it's going to say Manage Google Workspace for your organization, easily add users, manage devices, and configure security and settings so your data stays safe. Administration shouldn't need a manual, okay? So over here, you want to click on Get Started. Of course, you can read more about this, but if you want to get your account and create one, click on Get Started. And then you're going to have to go through a questionnaire over here. So the first thing you want to do is put in your business name, and then of course this is going to be the name of your business, then the number of employees including you, and then your region. After you've done this, click on Next, and then you want to put in all your contact info, so your email address, your first name, last name, etc. Of course, it says over here you'll be the Google Workspace account admin since you're creating the account, and you can of course see what an admin is over here, what they can do, etc. So you want to just put that in. So for example, I'm going to do like this, okay, and then I'm going to put in my email. There we go. And then once you do this, you want to simply click on Next over here, and then you can either get a custom domain over here where it says choose a way to set up your account because you will need a domain, or you can just set up using your existing domain. Of course, you can do whatever you want over here. You can continue with either of these methods, and then you want to click a continue with this method, and then you can search your domain names. Of course, if you selected this option, you'll be able to just select a domain that you want to get. But if you wanted to set up your existing domain, click on continue with this method, and then you want to find your domain. Okay, and then you want to click on Next, and then just put in all the information it's going to ask you for. And then after you're done with that, and after you've put in all the info and basically just completed all the steps, you've successfully created yourself a Google Workspace admin account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.